Starview's RB Series semi-automatic rotary type heat sealers are designed for medium to higher volume production requirements, where an economical but simple to operate machine is required. These machines feature a digital temperature controller and PLC function control for simple operation. The 4-station model shown here has a nominal sealing area of 14 by 18 inches. A 6-station model is available with a nominal sealing area of 12 by 14 inches. The RB Series machines can be configured to produce face seal and full face blister packages for a wide variety of products just by changing the heat seal tooling. The systems are competitively priced, making them ideal for contract packagers or low-volume OEMs. Starview's RB Series rotary sealers will provide years of dependable performance with a minimum of maintenance. An accurate cam drive indexer coupled to an AC frequency drive moves the rotary table. The table speed and time interval at which the table indexes are adjustable to pace the operators who load the blisters, products, and cards and unload sealed packages as they pass the open stations. Contact us to learn more about the Starview Advantage.